because ain't nobody want to see this face right now. I'm looking rough, real life. They look just like the Grinch. So cute. Like, it's him, but his little paw. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my. I'm not mad. It's just how my face looks. Liquid colors. It's a slider. That is freaking cute. Look at the color. Max.
All right, I'm gonna start talking from here on out. I am drunk, so beware. All right, what are we doing? We're going to use the Pore Minimizer by Smashbox, including their Photo Finish primer for the face, and then we're gonna start, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer on the eyes. And we're gonna use this Seasick Crocodile Ugly Vomit looking color for the inner corners to give you that really green, vomity look. Fuck! The yellow look on the eyes, okay? This is how you do the eyes. I'm not even gonna trust the process, okay? It looks like shit, but. Then we're gonna start with the foundation. I think that is, I can't keep up. Concealer, yes, put some concealer on. I swear by this concealer, love it. If you guys want to see what the hell it is, just kind of screenshot it or pause it. More of that Vomit Seasick Crocodile color and then some green. I'm the worst at this. Normally I can do a really good eyebrow, but I had to buy a cheap ass eyebrow pencil because I lost mine and I have to use this. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. It makes your eyebrows kind of freeze. Anyways, let me sip some more of this shit. This green shit is gonna give me dookie green dookie. Some sparkles on the inner corners. This is my stiletto eyeliner. This is like, if you want to go cheap, this is a nice one from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, whatever the fuck. Anyways, my eyebrows look like shit. I apologize. I couldn't find my brush. Mascaras, one of my favorite mascaras. Some more sippy sip of this dookie green vodka cranberry. Alright, I never claimed to be a fucking makeup guru. I don't know how to explain shit. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just screenshot like I said, or pause it to find the products if you're interested in what I'm using. Contouring right here. Blotting. Dabbing. A little highlighter. A little highlighter with a little Cupid's bow. I know that. A little tip of the nose to nose. A little contouring of the Cardi B nose. Oh, Puerto Rican nose. I love it. Some more Zab. I'm using my Lancome powder. Okay, I liked their blush, but I didn't really like it, so I used my Laura Mercier. God, I suck! Gotta re-fucking do this whole thing. Some night shit that makes your face freeze so it doesn't go away. Okay, I'm done.
All right, here we go. What's up, you guys? Sorry about that. My fucking camera died, so I had taken that opportunity to do my hair. Now let's finish the last bit. The lips. This is like seriously red. Alrighty, that is that. I am the Grinch. All right, so let's change into my sexy little Grinch outfit in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! All right, so here we are. This is my Grinch inspired schmeckshy look. What do you guys think? Yay! It's a super cute outfit. I mean, it's too cold to wear it, so I guess I'd wear it in the summertime. Paired it with my Louis and my red bottoms. Do you like my schmecksy Grinch inspired look? Latina Grinch. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and comment if you like. Tell me what you think, yay or nay to this look. It's giving me like 1990s vibes. Love you guys. Bye. God damn it. This is Grinch. Guys, can I admire myself? Is that okay? Can I do that?